Okay, where are we headed?
So we're going to Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge.
We had a good afternoon at the pool. We rode the Aquamouse twice.
It was fun. It was a good time.
Here we are. Here we are.
Hello. I think we'd rather have a booth, right,
Yeah.
in the bar?
Yeah.
So here's the menu. So if we look at, we'll start out libation free first for non-alcoholic. Looks like they have two drinks.
Let's go to the cocktail menu. It's pretty hard. The camera isn't picking it up.
The cocktail menu.
Wow, it's pretty intense. Wow. Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah, so cocktail menu there, it looks like there's, oh yeah, there's more. So there's a handful of drinks. There's a lot.
They range from like, well, they range from
about $15 to $5,000.
to 5,000. Hold on, my camera is not picking any of this up. I cannot get the camera to focus on the menu because it's a screen.
Yeah.
But things to point out are, yes, there is that $5,000 drink, but it includes more like,
It's a trip to California.
well, it's like it's a tour of
The
Skywalker
Skywalker
Ranch.
Ranch,
I don't really know what else it entails. And then they do have a wine flight from the Skywalker wine
Vineyard.
yeah, vineyard. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, we're gonna get our drinks and hang out in space.
Yeah. All right, so I got the Batuan Harvest Brew.
And I went with, I actually got a non-alcoholic drink. It's the Temple Twist with apple, mint, pineapple, ginger beer, and kiwi.
Cool color.
Yeah.
You have those boba balls in there too.
Oh.
It's kind of cool.
Cheers.
Cheers, sweetheart. It's such a fun trip.
Yes. Cheers, cheers. Love you. Tonight we are at World of Marvel. All right. This will be interesting.
Very.
I love the Avengers music.
Wow.
Hello.
Yeah, I'll find it, don't worry. It's a bit confusing, but I'll find it.
You know what? I need to breathe, find my chi. I just need 15 minutes to relax. Hi, I'm Scott Lang. But you might know me as Ant-Man.
And I am Hope Van Dyne, the Wasp.
Look, before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time. Anyway, tonight, through the power of quantum science, we will show you how together we can change the world.
Yeah, now look, don't worry, kids. Quantum science sounds overwhelming, but trust me, it is.
Shrink or grow just about anything.
Please don't get any crumbs on me.
When we give you the direction, you push the buttons on your cores, and they send a signal to the regulator here, which in turn remotely targets an object to shrink or grow.
Easy, right? I'll show you. Let's shrink something already.
Friday, initiate power-up sequence.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, activate! Pretty sweet, right? Oh, nothing, not. Hypothetical, I'm just making conversation. Thanks, you're the best.
Warning. Shield barrier failure imminent.
Friday, target every core at Ultron.
It'll take a minute.
I'll buy us some time. All right, people, it's hero time. Hey, metalhead!
You annoying little pest.
Hit your buttons now!
I'm here.
I can't believe you risked it.
It's over already?
I just took down a giant robot. That guy over there is still eating? Yeah, he'll... Hey! How you doing?
Hey there. Stop. Which one is the guy who wouldn't stop eating during the battle?
Over there. He's staring at us.
Dinner was actually really fun.
It was good, yeah. The Marvel.
It was fun. It was a lot
little
better
show
than
to
I kind of thought for some reason. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was fun.
And then we saw Aladdin.
It was pretty cool.
Which
They
was
did a great job,
amazing.
yeah.
I think we might be like the third sailing to see it.
Yeah.
Because they needed more time to finish the production before they actually debuted it, and it was incredible.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So, last stop of the night, until we maybe do trivia. We'll see. We are gonna go to the Inside Out Joyful Treats. Is that what it's called? Joyful Sweets.
Yep.
It's this way.
I think you go.
Inside Out Joyful Sweets. Okay, let's check it out. So this is like the candy store. Oh, they have popcorn too. Candy and popcorn.
It's pretty cool.
And then, what is that? Oh.
Oh.
I hope you don't have to spend $15 on that. So cute.
Pretty neat, huh? The macaroons that they have.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so they've got macaroons, cupcakes, brownies and popsicles. You can actually get like a little 6-pack of macaroons. Marshmallows. Oh, these spheres are basically filled with candy. And then that's an Oreo cookie. And then over here is, oh, like a frozen yogurt bar.
Actually, it looks really good.
So is it frozen
Gelato.
yogurt? No, it's
Yeah.
gelato. Gelato. And then all of the toppings. Oh my gosh, look at all of those flavors. and Bing Bong. It's actually really cute in there.
Yeah.
I feel like I just love the one on the Dream, the Vanilla Bees.
Yeah.
Because it's like, I don't know, candy.
And they had like fudge, they had cookies stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, cakes.
They have a lot of gelato in there,
Yeah.
but it was
Looks
cute.
cool.
It was
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah, next time
Alright.
we'll try it out.
Well, we might go to trivia.
Yeah.
But this is our last night on the cruise.
Yeah, that's sad. Darn it.
So, if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Please subscribe to the channel. And we hope to see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.